What's up,
Hi.
vlog?
What's up?
Vlog 2.
Yeah, what do you want me to say? Hey.
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 Say your favorite
Marshmallow.
emoji. That's a
Emoji?
face. Just do the favorite
Emoji
face.
would probably be. I have a paper. Yeah, that one. That one. Without the papers. Okay, bye. I gotta go do homework.
Lame.
See you guys later.
Later, skater. Do you mind being on vlog?
I don't mind.
Really? You're okay with being on the internet?
Sure. I'm kind of sunburned. Just don't say my name.
Okay. So this is my friend
Juliette.
Juliette. Just kidding. That's not her name.
Yeah, that's not my name. For security reasons, I like to keep my face and my name separate on the internet.
That's kind of a fun challenge. I like to keep my name and face separate, actually. So as long as my name isn't written across my face, then I'm fine. But do not, guys, I'm serious. If you see me walking around and I have permanent marker on my face that says Hattie Waltermeyer, do not take a picture of me and post it. You can take a picture of me, but only if you have a private account, and then you can post it. But if not, please don't take a picture of me and post it, because I like to keep my name and face separate on the internet.
Yeah, it's for her own safety, and so just be conscious of that, please.
Thank you.
Almost elbowed me in the face.
I got tan.
She
Just
gets
kidding.
so tan.
Well, this was.
She's tan because she can.
I'm tan because I can. Hashtag tan because I can. Hashtag can with a tan. I should do the can.
Hashtag garbage can.
Hashtag dumpsters. How do you do the can? I'm probably thinking cha-cha.
Oh. One hop this time. I don't know why that song annoys me so bad, but it does.
One hop this time. 2 hops this time. Slide to the left. Everybody clap their hands. Okay.
I usually refuse to do that when it says everybody clap your hands. I don't like getting told what to do, and so that song is really not my type.
Do you don't like getting told what to do, so that song is not your type. So basically you just lift your dress up and flap it around, is what I'm getting.
Second.
Here's
see,
the
there she goes.
periodic table,
But look.
noble guesses table. But
look, she's doing
medical
the
every actor
thing.
aggressively.
I was so right.
You were right. Moving to the right. There's hydrogen and helium. Now what? Trick shot basketball.
I missed, even in my imagination.
We are not allowed to vlog. We are not allowed. We are. We are not allowed to dance at my school. So probably should not be dancing in front of the boys' dorms. You know. Okay, I'm gonna play some basketball. 3-point Calvinism. Here we go. I'm a 3-pointer. I'm not actually, guys. I'm not. Ready, guys? Gonna do a pull up. Hey. Okay, that's it. Hey. Shoot, I said your name. Juliette.
You want help, Hattie?
No. I'm not helpless. What I meant to say is I don't need help.